At CIRAD, we believe that our research has to be actionable and relevant to people's needs. Our researchers are changing how they think about and plan their interventions, particularly how they contribute to long-term societal and environmental impacts. By fostering an impact-oriented culture at all institutional levels, we can enhance our contribution to achieving the UN's SDGs. CIRAD has created 2 tools to reflect on the contribution of research interventions to societal impacts. They combine multiple research methods, are actor-centred, and are highly participatory. Impress Ex Post is a retrospective evaluation method which allows users to capture the diversity of impacts to which research contributes and collectively evaluate the processes generating them. From Ex Post, we've learned the importance of strengthening multi-stakeholders' capacity and of liaising with public policy to achieve impacts in long-term innovation processes. Based on those principles, we created a participatory strategic planning approach called Impress Ex Ante. It supports the design of research for development interventions that bring researchers together with all key stakeholders. They collaboratively choose the changes they want to bring about and reflect on the mechanisms and strategies to achieve them. Impress Ex Ante is a collective and iterative 4-step approach. 1. Building a shared vision of the intervention scope. Researchers and stakeholders take a specific situation and envision an ideal future for it with a 10 to 15-year horizon. Discuss current issues preventing it from becoming a reality, delineate which of these issues they can address, and collectively analyse the actors behind those issues. 2. Mapping desirable changes and building an intervention strategy. The group ask which actors would do what differently if these problems were addressed. Do they have the motivation and capacity to make the changes effective? What are the context, obstacles, and opportunities to these changes? What activities can the intervention undertake to overcome these obstacles and seize these opportunities? 3. Consolidating the impact pathway by identifying the causal links and explicit assumptions about how change is likely to happen. 4. Translating the impact pathway into an intervention action plan, a change-oriented monitoring and evaluation system, a communication tool, new research questions. Impress Ex Ante isn't about building an impressive impact pathway and then putting it aside. It's an iterative process that helps maintain reflexivity and consistency in research interventions. When used as an adaptive management tool in a change-oriented monitoring and evaluation system, it supports collective decision-making and learning while offering insights into innovation and change processes. This enables teams to navigate complexity, re-question their role, and think about how to increase intervention success and maximize societal impact. When you design a future together, you start the change.